Hello, my name is Miriam Karagulova. I'm a teacher of Asian Medical Institute. Asian Medical Institute is a single institute in Kyrgyzstan which is free of corruption. In our institute, your marks will fully reflect your real knowledges. Our institute is aimed on providing high-quality education because our teachers are speaking English fluently and trying to teach their subjects on high level.
Lesson number 7, Modus Comparativus, comparative degree of adjectives. In this lesson, I will explain you how to indicate the base of adjective, how to construct comparativus nominativus, how to construct comparativus genitivus, and how to indicate adjectives having ready-made comparativus forms and use them. Question: what is adjective?
Adjective is a part of speech which is used to describe qualities of noun. See examples of Latin adjectives: albus, white, dexter, right, brevis, brief, and costalis, coastal.
Modus adjectivus, degrees of adjective. Latin adjective as well as English adjective has 3 degrees of comparison: modus positivus, positive degree; modus comparativus, comparative degree; and modus superlativus, superlative degree. Modus comparativus. For constructing comparative degree of adjective, we have 3 steps. Step number 1, indicate base of adjective. Step number 2, add to the base of adjective suffix ior for masculinum femininum and suffix ius for neutrum in nominativus. Step number 3, add to the base of adjective suffix ioris for all genders in genitivus. Question: what is the base of adjective?
Base of adjective, or we can say stem of adjective, is unchanged part of adjective which is repeating from masculinum, femininum and neutrum gender forms.
Step number 1, indicating base of adjective. If you remember, first we need to construct all gender forms of adjective. Then we need to remove gender endings. After removing gender endings, remained and repeating part of adjective will be base. Look at the examples: longus, longa, longum; dexter, dextra, dextrum; brevis, brevis, brevis. As you see, we have constructed all gender forms. After removing gender endings, by the way they are colored with red, we will get stem: long, dexter, bref. Comparativus nominativus, comparative degree in nominative case. For constructing comparativus nominativus form of adjectives, we use structure base plus ior for masculinum femininum and base plus ius for neutrum. For example, longior, dextrior, brevior; longius, brevius, dextrius, brevius. Comparativus genitivus, comparative degree in genitive case. For constructing comparativus genitivus form of adjectives, we use structure base plus suffix ioris for all genders. For example, longioris, dextrioris, brevioris. Exceptions. Some Latin adjectives construct their comparativus out of rules. We need to remember them and use as ready-made comparativus forms. Look at the table now. Bonus, meaning good. Melior, for masculinum femininum, better. Melius, for neutrum, better. Melioris, for all genders, of better. Malus, bad. Peior, for masculinum femininum, worse. Peius, neutrum, worse. Peioris, neutrum, of worse. Magnus, big. Maior, masculinum femininum, bigger. Maius, neutrum, bigger. Maioris, for all genders, of bigger. Parvus, small. For masculinum femininum, minor, smaller. For neutrum, minus, smaller. For all genders, minoris, of smaller.
Thank you for attention. See you next class. Goodbye.